lang muna sa game on how you were able to, begin sila.
Wala. Wala.
Two free throws,
Wala.
all by Nicole.
Thoughts? Wala akong masabi ngayon. But I'm just really proud of my team, how they really kept on fighting. Lumaban sila hanggang sa huli. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Naman ako nagawa na doon. Ganun talaga eh.
Kapag yung medyo yung mga calls, you're very okay.
Ayoko na ma-fine. Alam na nila yun. Sila na lang ang bahala. Ayoko magsalita ba? Ano nang masabi?
How about the way Jerome took over?
Well, he really needs to learn. No? So, kaya natulad sinasabi ko, he's the one who's gonna, he's gonna be the one who will take charge. He's capable of doing that. You just have to learn how to do it all over and all over again. Binibigyan ko siya ng kumpiyansa para doon. He commits a mistake, next time, he knows it. So, gano'n lang yun.
Coach, with the way you performed tonight, it's very obvious na talagang may progress under your watch. Ano lang masasabi?
Well, yun nga, I like what I've seen that itong last conference, itong conference na to, a lot of positive, no? And yung recipe o yung blueprint kung paano ko gusto patakbo yung team na to. Medyo nakukuha na ng players. So, konting tweak na lang mga pagkakamali namin, mga kailangan namin improve. So, just have to improve our habits. So, yun lang. And hopefully this is the last na okay lang, na good lang to, no? Hopefully this is the last time. And hopefully we learn on it.
Dalawang conferences if ka na as head coach sa sarili mo, ano nakikita mo improvement and growth mo sa head coach?
Mas nasa stress ako ngayon. Dahil sa mga referee. So, hindi sa mga players ko. But anyways, dahil nagugustuhan ko yung mga nakikita ko sa mga players, so that paano sila mag-respond sa akin. The more that mas naiganyo akong mag-coach, magturo sa kanila. And I like what I'm seeing sa kanila na sinusunod nila na gusto ko. So personally, I'm really excited and still looking forward. Again, this is just my second conference as a coach. And a job of a PBA coach is not really easy. Diba? Playing or coaching alongside or coaching against really good coaches. I mean, it's hard. No?